Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Divey.
And I'm Shmoop.
And we're coming at you 2K16, new 2K season, new 2K people.
Hey, we're coming at you live with this $400,000 VC pack opening right here. Starting off the season right.
Shmoop, you gonna open yours first? Your 200,000.
Yeah. I'm gonna choose the Cavs here. You know, gotta go with the favorite team. Hoping I'm getting some good players out of this pack. I don't know what's gonna happen here. Damn, only one silver.
Okay, shoot.
Let's see here. All right, I'm getting a few players, you know. See if I can pull some. There we go, Tristan Thompson silver. All right, I'm liking it.
Okay.
I'll go with the uniform. Yeah, gotta get that home uni. All right, Cincinnati Schmooper. Yeah, team right there. All right, let's go to the rewards real quick. Got to open that Michael Jordan from the pre-order Michael Jordan edition. Then we'll see those tutorial packs coming up too. There's that gold MJ, Michael Jordan. Let's see who I get out of these tutorial packs. See if I can get anything good. Did they even give golds in these tutorial packs?
I don't know. I was watching some of the videos earlier today. Not many people were getting.
Well, neither did
golds,
I.
I don't think.
No, neither did I. I already got that duplicate. Damn.
The controls are a little different than last year.
Yeah.
I've noticed in the auctions and such.
That's for sure. Oh, got a gold there. Let's see what it. Let's see. Damn.
That's a dynamic player.
Yeah. Don't they fluctuate
Yeah.
based on how they do in the real season?
Yeah.
All right. Well, hopefully he pulls off a good season.
I was watching some of the other 2K community members. Nick, the Bulls fan, I noticed didn't have much luck, but a couple other people had some good luck. I noticed two brothers got amethyst.
Oh,
I
wow.
think Kevin Durant
Yeah.
on one of their first packs, so let's hope we get some amethyst.
That'd be great. That'd be great, man. Oh, there's one gold. Come on, babe.
Alright, he's alright.
Alright, that's done for the tutorial packs. Alright. Let's start going off these real I'm gonna go VIP packs. Alright, we got 230,000 VC each. Alright, what do we get? No golds. Okay. Got a trophy though.
Gortat.
Yep. Oh man, I'm so hyped for this season.
I know.
We've been waiting for months for this.
Come on. Give him an amethyst. Oh!
Gold.
Okay,
Two golds!
gold. Okay.
Alright. That's what I like. Alright.
I will take it.
Yeah, I'll take it. I was tempted to sell that there, but might as well just send it to the auction and see what I can get out of it.
True. They lowered the minimum to 250 this season, so.
Yeah. Nothing.
Well,
No
silver.
golds.
Might
No
be a good
golds.
silver. 70 overall.
Can't complain.
Hopefully Ronnie doesn't cheat us.
Yeah.
He did so many times last season.
Yeah.
Dang. Alright.
We
Still in
still
the-
got what, 100-some thousand left?
Brandon Knight, he's pretty good for a silver.
Okay.
Oh, come on, give me that gold.
Alright. That's what I like. See who this gold is.
Derek
Derek Favors. All right. I had him last season too. Can't complain. He did actually really well.
Give you a few favors.
Oh. Okay.
Very good. I like how I don't think you've got any bronze out of these, so that's good.
Yeah.
I have to
real
meet a
good
few
thing.
times
All
last
right,
year.
there's 2 golds. 3 golds. 3
golds.
golds.
3 golds.
Oh, are you kidding me?
Oh.
You kidding me?
Oh. You got played.
Oh, well. Steve Kerr's a good coach. Can't complain. Can't complain. Keep it rolling. Keep it rolling. Okay. Okay. All right. Woo-hoo!
Zach Randolph, all right.
All right. I'll have to put him
Solid
in
player.
starter. Now, how do we get those boxes? The boxes of 6-packs. You know?
Oh, you can get those off of completing collections. You get a box of 6-packs, something new in the game. But I'm not sure that I like it that much. I like getting those Sapphire players last year. I got all of the Sapphires from all of the NBA teams.
Yeah, I remember you
regular
going
NBA
after
teams.
those.
Yeah, several good players. So hopefully they integrate those somehow into the game again. Kevin Garnett.
Dang. I feel like he's underrated in this game, man.
I feel like he's old.
Yeah, he's very old.
His speed is going to be a 60.
Come on in the night.
I keep it 100 while you only keep it 50 down. I can conquer any style. Victory is in me now. My time is now. Who said it was later? It comes natural. I got a competitive nature. Look at them guys when I'm coming. They be hot and I'm hunting. They've been ducking me. You see lots of them running. Challenges, I embarrass them. They a dime and a dozen. Full of fire, just like a dragon straight out of the dungeon. I'm just rising above it. You just lied to the public.
You never know if those
You nervous with butterflies in your stomach. Don't try to intimidate me. You couldn't scare me.
Not the best.
I'm spontaneous, smart, dangerous, fancy and quick. My trainer
no
told me to
Sorry about the late post, everyone. We're planning on doing this a lot earlier, but we ordered in the mail, and it didn't get to our dorm till late, so.
And then we decided to play for a while.
Yeah, we played for a
making
while,
this video.
yeah, but already up to the D League, man.
Yeah. Jordan Cyber.
Dang, hopefully this connection's not like this the whole time.
Yeah.
Come on. Yeah, we're completely new to this. This is our first video, so if you guys have any suggestions or what modes you want to see and that kind of stuff, we're just kind of start by kind of covering them all, and then after that maybe go more specific and stuff.
Yeah, feel free to comment, like,
give us a
subscribe.
like.
We also have an email at diveyandshmoop@gmail.com. Hit us up on that with what you want to see.
Yeah.
We'll upload any content you guys want.
Within our budget.
Yeah, true. True that. We'll put all that info in the description below too.
Let's see here. Okay. Oh, is that Tiago?
Yeah.
Oh.
I like it.
He did well last season for that 2K challenge for you.
Yeah.
2K cover athlete.
Yeah, that took me forever to beat. I pulled it off.
Oh, here we go. You got a chance. Oh. Dang. We'll probably show you guys our last season's team at some point.
I will
If
try
we
to
have any videos, pull them back up or something. But we'll save that for several weeks in so we can
get new
get
content.
into this game.
Yeah. still got a chance at that gold. Because I opened it backwards.
Man, you gotta respect the order. If you do the golds last, that's how you get it. I like the whole build your own team thing. Well,
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to try that when I have some free time.
I think I'm most interested in the uniforms.
Yeah.
I think you can make
And
some
the courts.
really cool things out of that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, yeah!
Now we're getting some action. Let's see it.
Nope, gotta wait.
Oh, that's my favorite player.
Alright.
Oh, that's one of my favorites. Him and Harden. Okay. The team's alright though.
Yeah, my team's looking good. It's coming together nice.
I forgot he moved over to the Hornet.
Yeah. Can't win them all.
Terry.
Not that Terry blocker. Divey, how many times did I beat you with that Terry blocker last year?
Yeah, I stopped subbing in Terry because of all the matches that he blew for me. Okay, I like the haircut. It does seem to be much quicker this season with the pack. Other than those 2 times I froze up, seems to be quicker.
It's very fluid. Everything in this game is very fluid.
I like the things kind of look like they pop out at you.
Yeah.
The cards. Mo Williams.
Yeah,
that's your favorite last year.
Yeah, that's my favorite player.
Onyx Mo Williams. That's where he did the most damage.
They got rid of Onyx this year, didn't they?
Well, I don't know because they haven't released any throwbacks yet. I don't think so. So they might still be coming.
That's what we'll have to wait and see.
Along with, who knows, maybe they'll throw in some of those Sapphire cards. I guess they're late because those were a late edition last year too. I think those were after Christmas time or something. So. Don't you hate that?
It's the worst. The absolute worst. I already have him! Gosh dang, man.
Now what is interesting about this game is the fact that you can get a player from this season as well as their dynamic version, and one of them, their ratings are going to stay the same and one's going to fluctuate. So that just doubles the amount of cards you can get for this season, which is just ridiculous. 2,000 is what it takes to get the Michael Jordan Diamond, I'm pretty sure, and that's the best card.
Every CK player's ultimate goal.
Maybe we'll hit it. I'll be grinding this one.
Yeah, that's true.
I really like their add of the new domination. Old team. Really smart move, I think. Domination mode. You know, it takes a long time, but once you're done, you're wishing you could play more games. You get a player every time you beat one.
You know what?
Okay.
I might end up saving some of this DC for my player, so I can give them a little show of what that's like a little bit later in the week.
We'll have to see how lucky I'm getting.
How much do I have left? 50,000.
Yeah,
I might just stop there.
I'll switch over to mine. Hopefully I'm getting lucky and I'll just use up all mine, and then we'll be at a little over 400,000.
You know what? I'm gonna open up those rewards packs real quick. Show the new designs.
Oh yeah.
Design your own gear. So that's what those look like. Shmooper Arena.
Now the amethyst cards, they have the same background, and apparently also there are a couple items that have that background. So I guess you can sometimes you get hyped for nothing.
Yeah. So like you can get a basketball.
Yeah.
That's what makes it exciting, though.
Yeah. Alright, switching over.
There's that. This is Divey's.
I've got to go with the Rockets, man. My favorite team. Game's hard. Maybe get a little Brewer, maybe some Terry. I don't know.
I hope you get Terry. I hope you get
silver. Okay. Another interesting thing is there is 10 pages of Terrence Jones! Sweet. Another interesting thing is there's 10 pages of free agents. That's over like 100 free agents.
Crazy.
I like Steve Blake. Okay. Shouldn't have opened that first. Went too quick.
There's your uniform.
Got a gold one compared to your bronze.
Alright,
Here we go.
Is this your tutorial pack?
Yeah. I don't have very much high.
Oh, you got a dynamic
Got a
card.
dynamic though. Let's open this Michael Jordan one. Just to show off my magic moments. My Cal Jordan. I still don't quite know what the moments card really means, but I'm gonna have to look into that. I know what the other ones are, but I don't really know what the moments part of it means. Alright.
Oh, there's a gold card? Oh! I didn't know.
Ah!
I didn't know you could get gold cards.
Horford.
I didn't know you could get gold cards in these tutorial packs.
I guess so, man. Al Horford dynamic. Ooh, hopefully he's in for a big season. Alright, let's see if I can continue this luck of the Irish. Searching for gold. Oh!
No way. No way.
I'm going all the way, I think. Oh my.
After this luck you've been having, I can't imagine.
Is that Andre Drummond? Oh.
How'd you?
Alright. I'll take it though.
Have faith in many, put your faith in nobody. I done been around, halfway around the globe, probably still ain't met nobody.
And I like the new layout. I'm still getting used to it, but I really like how it's designed. Spike Lee did a great job in the intro, and I'm sure he did a great job in my career. I'm going to check that out later.
So I had to earn life, road to the riches, wouldn't change it for the time.
Alright. Oh, I like the jersey though.
Yeah,
That's a nice jersey.
I'll buy me one of those.
I'm reading the descriptions. Dang. Alright, Luis. You know, a lot of these badges, those things are going to help, I think.
I never really used those last year.
Yeah, I used them at the end, and they really helped out.
We'll see how.
And they go for a lot in the auction. Well, at least they did last season. So. Dang. I was off to a good start. Oh. Oh, come on. Show me the gold. Oh, 2 of them.
No. You did not. No!
Yes! Oh! Eric Bledsoe, baby. What's the tally up to? I think I'm already at the same amount that you have.
Probably.
Gold.
How many VC do you have left? You still have 200,000.
I'm using it all, man. I am using it all. I'm going for this amethyst. Give me this amethyst. Come on, baby. Oh! 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 At least it's a rocket, man. At least it's a rocket.
That's all that matters.
Another rocket, man. They know. They know. They already know that they know. Okay. Okay. Oh. 2 and 3 chance of a goal.
You already made it. Made it to your first.
Yeah, man. I'm liking it. They gave a lot more chances for rewards this season. I like it. I'm already having better luck than Nick the Bulls fan. That's all I can be happy about. He didn't even get a single gold in the video I watched, so.
100,000 BC opening.
Yeah. 400. A little over 400.
Definitely better get at least one, and we did.
We did, so we already beat that goal. A lot of it. That's what we're gonna do. Split the VC up between us. See what we can get. See. Oh, I thought I had it. Thought I had another one. What is that court? That was a generic looking court.
I didn't see what it said.
I didn't either, but it was just brown. Silvers for days, man. At least we're not getting any bronze. Or you didn't get any on that kid so far. Alright. Got the graphic design. I'm hoping they have some camels or something. I forgot to tell you guys, Dallas Dromedaries. If you're ever playing double D's, you know who it is. Dallas Dromedaries. Ooh. Ooh, David Lee, I really like it. In the Celtics, one of my favorite teams. Can't complain about that Celtics pickup. Okay. 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 Brandon Knight, boy.
I can't believe that. I can't believe how many goals you're pulling right
Ronnie
now.
is hooking me up tonight. Yes. Wow. This video is probably going to be pretty long.
Takes a while to go through 400,000 VC.
Yeah.
The packs.
That's very, you usually have, whenever it's a pack opening, it's going to be double the time as your average video because it's, 2 different people. So it's going to be double the VC. But the gameplay, it's just going to be either me or Shmoop. So, guess whoever's playing, we'll put up some of that.
We'll try to upload us completing some of the harder challenges.
Yeah.
Doing some my player, some my park.
Yeah. Oh, hopefully they start up a my park tournament soon. Oh,
yeah.
Oh!
Hey.
Oh! Yes! Oh my gosh. I might have a full starting and bench after this of golds, man. I'm getting lucky compared to some of these other. Oh!
That's your first mistake.
Got too greedy with that trigger, man. If I would have done the silvers first, who knows? It's all about, you gotta start bronze, silver, and then gold. Makes it more suspenseful, and oh, Kevin Martin, he's got a great jump shot. Anyway, makes it more likely to get it, in my experience, more likely to get the gold.
Makes it more fun anyway.
Yeah. Like, good luck, Ritual. Okay. Same card again, but
Hopefully
how
we
we
can
can
get
sell him the options. I know he's got a really good jumper. I think it's one of the best for silver players, so. Oh! 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 I'm getting a lot of these silver contracts, man. They're going to help out a lot. I'm kind of hoping that they bump up the quantity that you can keep to like 20 or something like that, just because it gets annoying putting them in the auctions and putting them back on your player. But, you know.
Gotta do what you gotta do.
Yep, exactly. Oh, come on.
Oh,
Come on.
You're kidding me.
Oh, Paul George, baby.
Dang.
That's the best pickup of the night. Oh my gosh. Whew. Whew, I got chills. Oh, Paul George.
Just so you guys know, we're also going to put our PlayStation Network gamer tags down in the description. So if you feel like adding us, want to play us.
Yeah, we take all challenges, you know, as long as it's not during work or anything like that.
Yeah.
We'll accept it. Duplicate. I'm already getting duplicates, man.
Yeah. Hopefully we can get some nice Myteam points off of those.
Next year for sure we're gonna sit outside one of those lines, get 2K, bring it back, start it right up.
Have our first
Muhammad,
video right away for you.
I like him. Very athletic player. Very athletic. I'm still getting used to these the layout and everything. I have noticed that you have to wait till the card completely flips over to skip to the next pack opening. You have to wait for it to totally flip over and then settle itself, and then you hit X. Takes a little more time, but I think the graphics are worth it.
Yeah, definitely. Nothing.
Yeah. I'm just happy about my Paul George. I'm still gonna open these
jealous,
because I'm feeling this luck, man.
I'm jealous. What are you at, 27,000?
Yeah, probably like, what is that, 3 more? I can't do that quick of math, but
Yeah.
I think it's 3 more. And I'll just use the rest on my My Player. My My Player might not be as good as yours to start, but I mean, I'm sure we'll be both maxed out at some point, so.
Hopefully early on.
Tony Schnell.
We need to start going to the My Park Annie Up.
Yeah, we do. I wonder if they have 2-player My Park.
Oh, split screen.
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
Ooh, PJ Tucker. I was hoping that gold, but PJ Tucker is not a bad silver pickup. Good big man.
Is this your last pack?
Yeah, last one for the night, boys. Let's see if we can get it. Amethyst. Silver, silver, silver. That's alright though. Ooh, a little Italiana ball. Okay. That seems to do it for our pack opening.
Yeah, make sure like, subscribe, leave some comments, and let us know what you want to see for the next video.
Yep.
See you later, guys.